Hey everyone, Ayrton here from Digital Marketing Sharks, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create, customize, and use email templates inside GoHighLevel. These templates will save you hours, keep your communication consistent, and make follow ups effortless. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a template from scratch, personalize it, and even automate it for campaigns. Let's dive in. Now, the first step is to log into Go High Level Dashboard, and under there, you can see Marketing tab. Click it, then it brings you here. Now, let's go to Emails, and click New, and Email Marketing Templates. Now, I wanted to show you this first. We can choose from all of these different templates that Go High Level has already built out, and we can customize and edit it to our brand style, like changing the logos, changing the text and information the way that you want to, and also different categories for different niches to choose from here as well. But for now, let me show you how to build an email template from scratch. So let's exit here. Let's go to New, go blank. Then we can choose from here for our editing style experience. We just want to choose design editor for now because this is a very simple, easy way to start out. Let's wait for it to load. Now we have different elements here that we can pick and choose from to create our email template. From here, we can just use the elements as a drag and drop. Now here, let's drag the text. And here now we can actually change the fonts, change the size of the fonts, make it bold, make it italic. Like here, I can turn it into Times New Roman, change the size of the fonts to 60, turn it into a bold lettering, italic lettering, or make it have an underline. Let's say we don't want to use the text. Now let's delete the text and drag an image here. And then from here, we can choose an image that we want. We can press here and click upload from media library. If you don't have the image that you want from the media storage, you can upload and choose a file that you like. But we're just going to use our logo. Now, once we have our image pasted on here, we can put a button below here. Now we can customize it and like put a text here like uh, book a call here. And then we can also change the font of the text to, yeah, and the size as well. And some other features here like the color of the font. You can change the color of the font. We can change also the color of the background of the button. So here, let's change it there to black. I think I like it more like black color here. We can also choose a specific roundness of the button here. We can also move the position of the button from left and right, but for now, let's leave it at the center. Also, the padding of the sections here, we can choose a different margin here. I like to put it at 0 here. Now let's put a divider here. A divider just puts a line between the different sections. We can also add some more height, and the line type can be dashed or dotted. I'm just gonna keep it solid for now. Just change the color to black. And then to make your emails more personalized, we can put socials here below. Socials actually put all of your social media platforms for the email so that somebody can click on it and it'll take them to your businesses: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, or Pinterest, that kind of stuff. And how you would link them to these places, you would just click on this button here, and we can input here your Facebook URL or your Instagram URL or your Google Business Profiles URL, and so on and so forth. Now, here we can choose another. Uh, Footers are actually self-explanatory. Footers would just usually have your business or company's information at the bottom here. We can also drag code here. If you want to do your own custom code, you can do that in here as well, but I'm not a coder, so I'd pretty much not just use this. So let's delete let's delete this here. We can also put a video video here. We can import different videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, HTML5, Loom. You can put the video link here and the video will show up on your email. It'll actually play the video straight in the email. It won't take them to a different link or to a YouTube video. So I think that's pretty awesome. You can also pick an image for the video thumbnail here. You can upload it from your media library from the media storage. So yeah, there's a lot of cool features here that you can play around with. Another cool feature here is we can put a shopping cart here and put different product names and product types of your business. So it's in the email, which is pretty straightforward if you want to be upfront with the products you want to sell. Now we can just change the title. Let's change it to here. And delete this here. Now we got a fully functioning email template that we can use. Then now we can just hit this save template and go back. Now we have a draft email. Then you can see your template here anytime. You can easily just go back in and edit it at any time you want. And that's it. Now you know how to create, customize, and automate email templates inside GoHighLevel. No more wasting time rewriting the same emails. Just set up a template once and use it over and over again. Once again, I'm Ayrton from Digital Marketing Sharks. Thanks for watching.